Hi everybody, Roman here. You can see my mini excavator and the broken rod from the hydraulic piston. First I thought like, okay, it is just the material weakness or something, but at the end it showed up like it wasn't. So I have decided to little bit cut it. So I have cut it on the rod 45 degrees and I connected it with the welding. As you can see, it seems very nice, and I thought, okay, it will be very strong connection, it will hold forever. But at the end it anyway broke again. Even when you see it is so nice and strong weld, it didn't hold. It was working maybe 2 weeks and then it was anyway broken again. So I have to start to think like, okay, I should weld something more flat, like, because I was already knowing like on the bagr is really big play in the main joint where you have the arm. So I said, okay, I weld something flat, it will a little bit spring, it shouldn't break so fast. But I was wrong, and it broke again. So I have to find another solution, and it just follow up in the video how I did it and what I solved. And so far it's working very well. I think it will survive maybe even half a year, maybe more, and then I go for the final repair. So we will see. You can see my mini excavator and the broken rod from this part. It was damaged because the joint here, you can see it has big play, it goes up and down, and it is really forcing too much on the rod, and that's why it is damaged. I was thinking and trying to replace it. I welded something flat. I was thinking it will be springing, but it's not going to happen. It's not happening at all. It broke again. So the next step, I think it will be to weld something like a joint on it, and hopefully it will solve the problem before I repair the main joint on the mini excavator. Here you can see I have repaired the joint. It is from the steel. It was the flat steel 5 millimeters to 30. I did like 40 millimeters, 4 pieces long, and I have drill, I think 12 millimeter hole, and I put the very fast screw. It was like 8.8 class, so it's very strong, and I think it should hold and survive the classic movement. I think when you do not make some kind of disaster hit with the arm, it will survive. So the bagger is running, the field operation is ready. You can see this is the joint new for the piston, and it will cover this plate in this joint. So I will try to film it for you so you can see how used is and how big is the play in this joint, and you will see this working. See, it's totally crazy. It's totally crazy.